Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I found this new cursor alternative named Void IDE. It is an open source AI-powered IDE. And like Cursor, it is a fork of VS Code with integrated AI features. It supports auto-completion, a quick chat feature, and also a composer feature which has three modes: chat, gather, and agent mode. The agent mode is like Cursor's composer feature. It can create, edit, and even execute terminal commands autonomously. You can use Void with models from OpenAI, Anthropic, OpenRouter, and even local models. So today, I would show you guys how you can download and use this amazing IDE and show you how you can set it up with your preferred AI model for completely free. First, head over to their official download website voideditor.com/download beta. The code editor is still in beta, so you might find some bugs. Now, from here you can download Void for your operating system. Once you have downloaded Void, it will prompt you to open a project. Just open a project or a folder you want to work with. Now, we need an AI model provider. I will use OpenRouter as it has many free AI models. To set it up, simply go to openrouter.ai and sign up for an account. Once done, go to Keys and create your API key. Now, in the Models tab, type free. The shown models are completely free to use. I will use the Gemini 2.5 Pro model as it is the best model currently available for free. Now, copy the model ID and open up Void. Click on Settings. From here, go to Providers and select OpenRouter. Paste your API key here. Now, click on Add Model and set provider to OpenRouter and paste in the model ID and add the model. Now, you are all set. You can tell Void to do anything, and it will do it autonomously, from creating and editing files to creating full-stack app and websites. So, that's it for today. Hope to see you in another video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.